Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now open the app and sign in. Next, on the screen, you can see at the top there's a search bar right beside 3-bar menu. Tap on it and type in logo. Once you do that, you can see after you tap on search, there will be options like create blank or the templates for logos. You can create a logo from the scratch by tapping on create blank, or you can search for the logo of your liking and edit it by going into the template and editing the colors or the designs. And guys, that's it. That's how you create logo on Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.